There you go. Yeah, that's a real nice red. Good job. There you go, man.
I know! Look at this! That's a high five!
I'm thinking I'll go to a soft plastic pretty quick. They're in here and they're not eating this topwater just yet. There you go. On a topwater?
No, plastic.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna switch to a soft plastic. It looks like a slot red. There you go, man. That's a slot. See if they'll hit this white and chartreuse. I don't see why not. Oh, it's a flounder. Yeah, a good one too.
On a topwater?
No, on a soft plastic. Boy, he swallowed that thing. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Golly. Yeah, all right, man. That some bitch big too. Golly. All right, man. Golly.
Nice fish.
Yeah. He's going in the cooler. 19. I told you there was some big ones over here.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
What?
Brandon, you watching this?
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh. It was like a Bramer bull came through here.
What is this fucking here? Is this mullet?
Yeah, this is all mullet right here. You're looking for that bigger, just either swirl, or sometimes you'll see the back right behind the mullet, you know. And you want to see that, you know, with it about 100 feet in front of you, they're not spooked by you, they're chasing bait.
Right.
When it happens real close to you, the reds are usually spooked, they see you, you know.
Yeah.
Like that right there. That's a red. but they'll do that when they're chasing bait too. We lost Gary, huh?
Yeah, we did.
Well, we can fish here until he catches up.
Okay.
Oh, what we got? Drum. A drum. Keeper size too. If one of y'all want to, or both of y'all can come over here. They've been hitting it. Oh, there you go. This is gonna be a good one, a pretty good one. Another drum. You seen where I had my cork? Okay, all right. Yep, that'll keep.
I got it.
You got, okay.
Yeah.
And you got a hook and whatnot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just need to.
Oh, there you go.
All
Golly. Pull and drag.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll stay here a little bit longer, I guess. Slot red. I think it's a red. It ought to be by the way it was pulling. Is it a drum? No shit. Huh? Oh, it's a red? Okay.
No way. No way.
A little bit short? Yeah. There you go. That's a nice fish too.
All right, Brandon. Brandon's got in the groove there.
Yeah. It ought to be a good drum. Yep. That's a good drum. You know how hard it was for me to use a cork? A few months ago I started, you know, I've always seen drum tail all over the place, and
Yeah.
I've always wanted to fish for them, and man, it was hard for me to be patient with a shrimp, because you catch little stuff with it.
Yeah.
And it's, you know, at first I was like, man, this ain't worth the shit, you know.
Yeah.
And then I started getting into some drum, and I was like, yeah, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, they are pretty cool.
There you go, man.
That one set the hook by itself.
Yeah, he took off with it.
Yeah. That's fine.
Oh, there you go. Oh boy. It's a good one.
What do you got?
Now it's a big drum.
Oh, there you go.
Real good. Taco time. You still thinking about tacos, man? Brandon, try to cast a little bit more towards that point.
Okay. Got something messing with it right now. It's probably hard
You have no idea.
Oh no! You got him, Gary?
See, I told you I needed that spot.
Man, mine was pretty good.
Oh, I didn't land him.
Oh, there you go. That's a good one.
There we go.
Oh, you got one too?
Nice.
Doubled up. What is this? This is fighting weird. I hope it ain't a stingray. It is a stingray.
Oh,
You
wow.
you some bitch. The way it was just kind of.
Hey, stingrays are always a good sign, though.
Yeah, they stir up the. Oh boy.
Well, they're usually not by themselves. You know what I mean?
The reds follow him. Boy,
The trout will be mixed in with.
man, he sucked down on the bottom. Get off of there. Hey, come get him off for me, Gary.
Yeah, sure.
Man, I caught one the other day. What'd you catch?
Just swing him over here.
A drum? All right, man. If you sting me, man, there's gonna be hell to pay. Where's my fly? Here we go. Man, I had this happen the other day, and his stinger, or his tail, damn near slapped me in the arm.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't want none of that.
There you go.
That's my biggest fear, too, when I bait fish.
Oh boy. As soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. I think it's going to be a good drum. it is a good drum.
Yeah. That's perfect size right there.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm pot licking.
Go ahead, cast in there. I think that's my limit right there on drum. I think. That's the size you want to eat right there, like 17, 18.
That's perfect. That's
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think I need one more. You got one? There you go.
there you go.
It might be a stingray.
Stingray.
Yeah, it's just kind of sitting there.
Yep.
Golly, we found the stingray home.
Stingray home.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Don't get stung, man. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit.
Big drum.
It's a drum?
Yep.
No shit.
Big drum.
A big one. Good deal, man.
Next side.
Awesome.
Man, he was fighting weird. He was staying on the bottom, huh?
Yeah. I could have swore it was a stingray.
Yeah, me too. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might be a red, maybe. Might be a red. No, it's another good drum. That's the limit, yeah. Man, he took off with it like a redfish. He's not even really that big, but he shit, he took off. Yeah, it's a keeper. He's about 16.